everybody, hope you're doing well. Today we want to bake sandwich bucket. Let's go for the ingredients. 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 glass of warm milk, half a glass of warm water, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 4 glasses of all-purpose flour, 1 egg. Let's go for preparations. Mix the water with the sugar with the yeast into the bowl. Cover it with cellophane and let it rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, break the egg, make it with salt, butter and milk. The yeast is ready. You can remove the cover and put it to the bowl and mix it well. Top of the yeast will be fluffy and good and nice. Let's spread this milk. Now we can put it inside the bowl. Now we should mix it well. My different step by step add the flour to the bowl and mix it well. Mix it well until it be like bread dough. Stir the dough to 8 to 10 minutes until it don't be sticky on your finger. You can hit it with different. Like that you can hit it. And after massaging and knitting it for dough, let it rest for 30 minutes. My dear friend, take a dough and make it small orange size. Then with your hand roll the dough. If you now splash some flour on the tray. And we need to keep the dough spaces, otherwise we should keep the dough spaces, otherwise it will be squished and we cannot get it to get out to eat. Let the dough rest for 30 minutes. And if you want the top of the baguette be golden color, then use egg yolk, or it's better to use this ingredients. For that, we need 2 tablespoons of flour and half a glass of water and mix it well. And give it to and we make rest of that. In the stove, we need to mix it well, same as cream. You can use the liquid top of the bread, it will be golden color. You can use sesame seed top of the bread. When the buckets are ready, let it cool down and let's remove it from the tray. And let's test it. It's super duper yummy, my dear friends. Thanks for watching. Please